Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday, I put a lot of other stuff up. I just do a lot of uploads, so you're gonna want to subscribe. Today's updates, and updating Model today, and this is Miss Jewel from Model. I have her in the color SOP 27GD30, and this is a lace part wig. It's not a lace front. You know how I feel about those. I really like them. This is obviously not laid down. You can check out the original review. I really like this wig. If you want this cut, let me take these jingly bracelets off. If you want this cut, I would definitely suggest this is a yaki texture. And it is thick. It is really thick. So like when I'm trying to put it behind my ear, it's, you know what I mean? There's a lot of hair there. So if you're looking for a nice, thick, cute, warm wig, you know, in whatever color you like. I do like these syrupy colors, but some people don't. I really think that this is a good option, and I would suggest her. So yeah, that's all I have to say. Comfortable, easy to wear, beautiful color, beautiful texture. What more can you ask for? I don't know. Next up is Electra, and this is again a lace parting wig, 5-inch lace part. I have her in the color FF Warm Brown, and this chick is long, but I've worn her so much. I actually have to wash her because she kind of smells funny, because I've worn her so much. Yes, she will tangle. It's a very light yaki texture, but the coloring is stunning. And what I do is I just keep all the hair to the front. I really find that that makes it a lot easier to keep on the tangles. Okay, so yeah, I really suggest her. If this wouldn't be like your only straight wig, this would be one where it's a special occasion, or you just want to look cute, nice and easy, like you're going to lunch, shopping situation, where you're not going to be worried about your hair too much. Keep it all to the front. I definitely suggest her. She has nice layers, so she'll easily, like, you could easily cut her to there. So I do suggest her. I just don't think this would be like, this is your only wig for several weeks. I have worn her quite a bit, actually. Maybe 5 times, which is like unheard of. Her and Retress Equals, Valencia, I think it is. They're very, very similar. So Valencia is a little bit shorter. I think I have her in like cocoa brown or hot chocolate or something. Hot cocoa chocolate brown. I love this wig, and I would repurchase her. For this, you just have to know what you're getting and understand how to take care of it. That's it. Okay, next up we have Mayde Beauty. So I have Mayde Beauty in here as well as Model. This is Kyla. I have her in the color FF Russet. This is another lace part wig. I love a lace part wig. I love this wig. This wig is reminiscent and in the same vein of the other wigs that I love, like Follow Me, like Jestik. This beautiful full yaki texture, crazy color variation, just like sexy fall, you know, get a boyfriend here. I'm working on it. I absolutely love this wig. I say scoop this wig up. If you don't have this wig, get it. This is a stunning color, but it does come in other colors. It does come in that like hot choco or cocoa color. I think would be stunning as well. I love this wig. I love this wig. I love this wig, and you should love it too. So yeah, this is Miss Kyla. Okay, last but not least, I have Mayde Beauty 6-inch lace parting wig again, and this is Kenny, and I have her in the color FF Hot Choco, and I'm just like in this whole curly hair loving situation. You know, I'm not traditionally a curly hair girl, which is funny because my hair is natural curly, and it would be similar to this at this length. And yeah, I love this wig. It's gorgeous. The only thing I don't like, and this is just something at my preference in wigs, when they do this like curved parting, because I feel like it makes the back look funny a little bit unless you like meld it down. But that's just like a nitpicky personal preference situation. The texture on this is a very gorgeous yaki, but a light curly sensation. It's not a very heavy wig. It's not as light as Janet Collection's Doris, but it is light. I think it's more voluptuous in the curls. But yeah, I think this wig is fabulous, and I think you should get it. If you want to see any of the original reviews for Mayde Beauty or Model, I'm going to link them down below. If there are other Made Beauty wigs or other model wigs that you would like me to review, please put that down below as well. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Bye, 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 bye.